All right, so this is what
Judge Stephanie Boyd, please forgive me, and I'm sorry. I'm just miss my family very much. So I've been in for 410 days, and I would like to see my family. It's my birthday this month. I did the work.
Your Honor, it's a writ of habeas corpus.
It's a writ and motion to reduce state jail felony to
Here's the thing.
probation's outside the jail. And
all right, so then what I'll do, if you're going to continue,
No, ma'am.
if you want to continue to talk over me, then you can do so.
No, ma'am,
But you're
I
going
don't
to be
wanna.
talking,
So I'm
but
sorry. Please
you
forgive
are
me.
going to be talking over me and talking by yourself. And what I will do is everybody thinks that they can be an attorney without a license. If everybody could be an attorney, then guess what? We would not have gone to school for it.
Okay. May I have a copy of probation paper?
You can call me crazy and say that, but I do love my family.
I will
I'm a
not-
very strong
I
woman.
will not call you crazy. 5CR 000451, State versus Leslie O'Banion. All right, you entered a plea of no contest on May 12th, 2025. According to your plea bargain agreement,
May I give you this, ma'am? Miss Susan Boyd?
to what point, why are you giving me that?
It's my word.
It's your
for
what?
you, ma'am. It's for you, Judge. Thank you.
No, what is it for? That's what I'm trying to.
Motions that I did.
All right, so here's the thing. You've entered a plea. Unless that's a motion to withdraw your plea, it's not appropriate at this time, okay? All right.
It kind of is. But
Well, I mean,
I would just like to, I did the work.
Your Honor, it's a writ of
okay.
habeas corpus.
It's a writ and motion to reduce state jail felony to misdemeanor.
All right, so the state jail felony is
And
not
writ of
being,
habeas corpus.
all right, the state jail felony is not being reduced to a misdemeanor. All right?
Okay. Well,
No, I
you know,
appreciate it.
he's
No,
not
no.
really doing a job for me.
No. He's actually doing an excellent job for
I don't
you.
agree, but okay.
Well, I mean,
That's what I got. So that's what I got to deal with. So I signed up
well,
probation.
no. Here's the thing, what I'm telling you, and this is what I
I
want you
just
to
would
hear
like to
me.
go home
I want you to hear,
on probation, and that's what I signed for Monday, right, Miss Boyd, Miss Leslie O'Banion? I signed for 3 years deferred.
Mhm.
So I did my Kappa Valens inside, so I'd like to be released to have probation, ma'am. Thank you. That's what I find.
all right, so let me just tell you right now, that's not what you signed up for. What you signed up for is there was a plea bargain that was entered into. And guess what happens with plea bargain agreements? I'm the person who sets conditions, and I'm sure your attorney told you that. So whether or not you're released today, it's really up to me. So that's where we are.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
I don't know why people continue to think that everybody
I don't know
can.
why I
Here's
thought
the thing.
probation's outside the jail, and
All
it
right,
is.
so then what I'll do, if you're going to continue,
No, ma'am.
if you want to continue to talk over me, then you can do so.
No, ma'am,
But you're
I
going
don't
to be
wanna.
talking,
So I'm
but
sorry. Please
you
forgive
are
me.
going to be talking over me and talking by yourself. And what I will do is I'll just set this for another day. So
I'll quiet.
what I'm telling you
Yeah,
is I do not understand why everybody thinks that they can be an attorney without a license. If everybody could be an attorney, then guess what? We would not have gone to school for it. So,
God bless you, ma'am.
Mr.
Thank you.
Chumley,
Mhm.
thank you for your patience.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
All right, so this is
Miss
what,
Judge Stephanie Boyd, please forgive me, and I'm sorry. I'm just miss my family very much. So I've been in for 410 days, and I would like to see my family. It's my birthday this month, and I miss my family tremendously.
well, here's the thing.
So I love my family,
If you
and they love
continue,
me.
if you continue to commit offenses, then that's not showing love for your family. Because the reason why you're not with your family now is because you've
I've
committed an
been away
offense.
from my family, and I've
And actually, the offense
suffered very much
the
inside
offense,
Air County Jail, ma'am.
the offense that you have committed is
Okay,
an
cool.
injury to the elderly or disabled
Wow.
person, bodily injury. And that person is an elderly person. So that's why you are here. And what I can tell you is, if I follow this agreement, you are not going back to that location. You're not going to be allowed to be around any of those persons. Do you understand? Maybe she understands, maybe she doesn't. All right, so defense, this is my concern.
Okay.
My concern, have you all both read the MIC evaluation?
I have
This is
PTSD.
my concern in here. In my concern, she says she doesn't have any mental illness diagnosis, demanded that those be taken off the records, and that she will not be taking medications once she's released.
I have PTSD trauma. I do have that, ma'am. I do not have bipolar. So that seems to be a problem. It's outdated information from when I was 28 years old. I'm 48. I'm going to be 49 this year. So that's very old medical stuff that's out of date, ma'am.
All right.
I'm sorry for that, but that is actually true. I have PTSD. I have anxiety. I have trauma. That's what I do diagnose.
All right. Probation.
Thank you.
How are we going to handle this? She's saying that once she's released, she's no longer going to take her medications.
I
Is
actually
there
am.
any?
So I have insurance. I'm going to see my doctor. That's what I told the lady on the Taco Bell, ma'am. So I'd like to finish that. And I'm sorry she didn't put that in there. There's miscommunication happening and it's really important to me, ma'am.
Mhm.
I have insurance and I take very good care of my health. I actually have therapy set up for me already for when I'm released. I did that inside jail for the Rape Crisis Center. That's free therapy for me that I need. And I'm also going to go see my doctor and get on medication when I'm released. I take regular meds for myself and I take very good care of my health. I have health insurance. I'm on disability. So I plan on following up with my doctor I see currently in the Quarry Market. I have a doctor already. I have a pharmacy at Walgreens. So that is not actually true. I'm saying I have to follow up with my doctors on the outside where I take care of my health. And
All right. So
my mental health
probation,
is important to me.
how are we going to address this issue? How do you suggest we address
So
it?
I'm going to be taking meds. I will be complying with that. So that is not true, ma'am. And I'm sorry she wrote that. So
All
I
right.
wanted to clarify. Please forgive me,
Thank
but
you
that is
for-
important.
Thank you for your clarification.
Yeah.
Probation, how are we going to handle this?
I will be taking my meds. So
Judge,
I need to get them adjusted. Thank you. With the
Judge.
proper physician. Mine.
we can
I take meds.
Get it.
Tri-Care County.
we can get an authorization to obtain records to ensure that she is actually
Walgreens,
going
Lincoln
to.
Heights.
All right, just one second. So let me ask you something. Ms. O'Banion,
Yes.
it appears as though maybe you're not medically
They have
compliant
out of
with your
date.
medications. The reason why I say that is because you're not able to control yourself at all. You're speaking over everyone who is talking. I've asked probation a question. You keep interrupting her.
It's,
So
I'm not.
what, let me do this. What do you want to say to me? I'm here to listen.
Ma'am, what's happened since I've been incarcerated is they have out of date information. So me trying to update somebody that has old information, like I said, on me when I was 28 years old is so out of date. It is. I'm 48 years old, ma'am. So I've changed my life. I went to prison in Plain State 10 years ago and I changed my life and that does matter. Okay? So I live a very good and healthy life for myself. I take care of myself and I support my own self. I'm a single woman. I live alone. I have a pet. And that's what I do. I support myself. I don't rely on a man. I take care of myself. And I've lived that way for a long time. I'm very strong, independent woman. That's the way my mom raised me. So I'm blessed to have that. You know, I pay my bills. And I always have a pet because I have trauma. I've groomed animals. I'm retired. And so I always have a fur baby. You know, I gave up my son for adoption. And, you know, this was something I forgave my stepdad. I didn't report it. And I feel sorry for him. He's an older man. So it's my fault for that. There is issues there. He is crazy and he has broken my bones in the past, ma'am. I just didn't feel right about doing something against my family. So it's okay if they say I did something to him, and that's fine. So I apologize, but this is what really matters to me is I love my family and I miss my family very much. My brother has my car waiting for me.
They do not want to have any contact with you according to the police report. So
That's fine.
I'm not gonna allow you to have
I've
contact
talked to
with
my brother inside jail,
all
and
right,
that's my brother. I have other family members, man, and he's married. So that's not my mama.
okay.
And that I can still talk to my mother. That's my mom. She's married to my stepdad. I'm gonna not talk to my stepdad. That's the person, Danny. Okay, so that's one individual. So I'd like to clarify that. I'm not gonna already get in trouble when I'm not even released out and I have families. There is toxic issues there. So that is a problem with that man. He has issues. So I will not be seeing my stepdad, period. I can see my mom on my own. She can come to my apartment and that kind of thing. Same with my brother. But, and his wife and kids, the same applies. I'm not gonna be seeing my stepdad though. I've already decided that myself personally. So I'm a strong woman, you know, but I would love my other family. I'm not gonna not see them. They love me.
All right, is there anything else you want to say?
And please forgive me, ma'am. I do take care of my health and I'm sorry that I've tried very hard because it's important to me to update people that had information on me. And it is important because that's about my health. And that's when somebody has old information that's not current, it needs to be updated, just like medical files.
All right, is there anything else you want to say?
And please forgive me, ma'am. I am a very respectful person.
Is there anything else you want to say?
I'm sorry for talking, ma'am, but
Oh, no, you can talk. I'm giving you time to talk right now. Is there anything else you want to say?
you can call me crazy and say that, but I do love my family.
I will
I'm a
not-
very strong
I
woman.
will not call you crazy. Is there anything else you want to say?
That's fine. I'm used
Well,
to people
I will
calling
tell you
me that.
this. I refuse to call you that.
Thank you. I don't like the stigma.
All right, so is there anything else you
No,
want to say to me?
no, ma'am. And I think you're a very awesome judge. You're doing a great job. And you are. And thank you for helping me.
All right, probation.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Probation?
Yes, Judge.
How are we going to handle the fact that in the MIC evaluation, they're saying that she's not going to take her medications? What do you
So
suggest?
I am.
All right, so here's the thing. I'm giving you time to speak.
Yes.
I did not interrupt you. I let you talk for as long as you want to talk. So now it's someone else's turn to talk. So do not interrupt them. And I want you to hear me clearly and internalize what I'm saying. If you interrupt them, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to send you back to jail. We are not going to hear this and I will bring you back on Monday. Do you understand? All right, probation. How do you suggest we handle this?
Judge, I think we should probably get an authorization of release so that we can be in contact with the individuals that are taking or prescribing medication, her doctors.
Mhm.
We can do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services. I believe the MIC evaluation indicates that she is not eligible for DDRF.
Yes.
However, she is eligible for the MIC caseload, I believe. And we could put her on the MIC caseload.
Okay. Is there anything else you think she would need?
Would you like to send me to DRF instead?
Did not tell you no more interrupting.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Never let me out. Send me to DRF. Go ahead.
Um,
I pray every day.
Judge, I really can't think of anything else other than maybe, a life skills course or moral recognition therapy or something like that.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. I'm sorry. 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. I'm sorry, that will be probated. Take in consideration 2025 CC 000947. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Danny Cox, Timothy O'Bannon. There's to be no contact with 14450 Old Frio City Road in Lytle, Texas, 78052.
Can't.
There's to be, she's going to be placed on the MIC caseload. Referral to Center for Health Care Services. The defendant is to sign a release for mental health information. There's to be anger management course, TAP evaluation that can be done out of custody. Follow recommendations. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And there's to be no contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Hate children.
I'm sorry, what?
Fuck you.
Like any type of employment or SSI.
Yes. Proof of employment
Behind the military.
or SSI within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
I hate to ask you to do this, Judge, but can you give me that address again?
Yes.
She live in Bear County. You live in Bear
I'm
County.
gonna probably be relocating, I think.
Well,
So I
you right-
reside here now, but I will be relocating and moving my
You do live in
location.
Bear County.
No,
Where do you live?
yeah, I live nowhere right now.
All right. So
I haven't decided I'm gonna be leaving, so I'll relocate.
you're to remain in Bear County until the court approves you to leave Bear County.
Cool.
If
I'll
you
be
leave-
hiring a realtor.
If you leave Bear County, what will end up happening is a warrant will be issued for your arrest.
I can relocate with probation.
All right.
To another city.
Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
See, it's-
All right, counsel, did you review the trial court certification with her?
Yes,
And did you explain it to her?
yes,
And did she place her signature on the document?
yes.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. All right, thank you. State, make sure that you make the complainant aware of what has happened here today and that there's a no contact order. Okay,
May I have a copy of probation paperwork?
you understand? All right, thank you.
In this court case, Leslie Onan appeared before the judge after entering a no-contest plea in a state jail felony case involving injury to an elderly or disabled person with family violence concerns. After spending 410 days in custody, she emotionally asked the judge for release, explaining how much she missed her family and wanted to return home. She also tried to request that her felony charge be reduced to a misdemeanor, but the judge firmly explained that this was not possible and reminded her that plea agreements are controlled by the court, not by the defendant. During the hearing, concerns were raised about her mental health evaluation, which suggested she might refuse medication after release. Leslie strongly defended herself, explaining that old medical records were being misunderstood and that she does manage her PTSD, anxiety, and trauma through therapy, medication, and regular doctor visits. The judge warned her repeatedly about interrupting the court and made it clear that respect and self-control were essential if she wanted probation instead of more jail time. After reviewing everything, the court placed her on 3 years of deferred adjudication probation with strict conditions, including mental health supervision, anger management, random drug testing, no contact with certain family members, and no possession of weapons due to the family violence finding. The judge made it clear that probation was her final opportunity to prove she could live responsibly. This case shows that emotional pleas alone are not enough. Real change requires discipline, accountability, and respect for the court.